Working with AutoPlay Media Studio CD/DVD projects and got DAH files. These are splash screen images from this autorun creation software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these AutoPlay Media Studio splash image files. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized DAH tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. DAH files are splash screen image files used by AutoPlay Media Studio software from Indigo Rose for creating CD and DVD autorun applications. They contain bitmap image data displayed during application loading, providing branded splash screens for distributable autoplay packages and software installers. DAH files use a proprietary or modified bitmap format specific to AutoPlay Media Studio storing image data with potential compression or encryption. The structure typically wraps standard image data with AutoPlay-specific headers, enabling integration with the AutoPlay application loading sequence. An essential utility for interacting with DAH is recognized as AutoPlay Media Studio by Indigo Rose. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows handles the display portion, but comprehensive image editing requires suitable software. Your most crucial first action is the file association test. Right-click the DAH file and choose Open With. If AutoPlay Media Studio is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. If the DAH file won't budge, stay calm. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential quick troubleshooting procedures. First, opening an AutoPlay Media Studio. Launch AutoPlay Media Studio and open the project containing the DAH file. The software displays splash images within the project context, enabling editing, replacement, or export to standard image formats. The application handles DAH format internally without requiring external tools. Next, trying image tools. Some DAH files may be standard bitmap formats with custom extensions. Try renaming to bmp.jp or .png and opening in any image viewer. If successful, you can edit in standard image editors like Photoshop or GIMP and rename back to DAH for reuse. Finally, extracting from project. Open AutoPlay Media Studio project files containing DAH references and use the Project Resource Manager to export splash images to standard formats. This enables editing in mainstream image editors and re-importing modifications back into the AutoPlay project. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.